Hello everyone. Today I will explain the map and answer several questions based on location. Let's begin. Number 1. Is there any public hospital near here? Where is it? Yes, there is. The location is on Yosudarso Street next to Marta Dinata Street. Number 2. Where is the National Bank of Indonesia? The National Bank of Indonesia is located on the left side of Yosudarso Street, next door to a Chinese restaurant. Number 3. Where is Ramayana Department Store? Ramayana Department Store is located on Yosudarso Street. It is located to the left of the Chinese restaurant. Number 4. Excuse me, are there any restaurant around here? Where is it? Yes, of course. There is. The restaurant is located on Yosudarso Street. It is located in the middle between National Bank of Indonesia and Ramayana. Number 5. Can you tell me where the drugstore are, please? Yes, of course. I will tell you. The drugstore is on Yosudarso Street on the right side of Marta Dinata Street and is located on the left side of the railway station. Number 6. Can you tell me the way to the railway station, please? Yes, the railway station is on Yosudarso Street next to the drugstore. And now, I will talk about my hobby and what I usually do in my free time. Number 1. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading books. I like any books. Number 2. When do you usually do your hobby? In your spare time or at night before going to bed. Number 3. What do you usually do in your spare time? In my spare time, I usually read books or chat with my family. Number 4. Do you do activity in your spare time? Yes, I usually do it in my spare time. Number 5. How often do you do the activity in your spare time? I usually read book every night from 8 to 9 at night. Number 6. Where do you usually go for recreation? I usually take my child to the park just to eat fried food and play in the park. Okay, my friend. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.